Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we have something truly exciting to talk about. The 2026 Changan Flying. This futuristic vehicle is making waves in the automotive world with its cutting-edge design, high-performance capabilities and advanced technology. In this review, we'll take an in-depth look at its exterior, interior, performance and pricing to see if this car is worth your attention. Starting with the exterior, the 2026 Changan Flying boasts a sleek and aerodynamic design that looks straight out of the future. The front features a bold grille with an illuminated Changan logo, seamlessly integrated into its sharp LED headlights. The aggressive lines on the hood and sculpted side panels give it a sporty yet elegant appearance. The vehicle's futuristic LED taillights span across the rear, creating a modern light signature. The doors open with a smooth, almost sci-fi-like mechanism, adding to its high-tech appeal. With a mix of lightweight materials and a striking color palette, the Changan Flying is designed to turn heads wherever it goes. Stepping inside, you're greeted with a cabin that feels more like a high-end lounge than a traditional car interior. The minimalist dashboard features a massive curved OLED display that controls almost every function of the vehicle. Changan has opted for a premium material selection, including eco-friendly leather, wood and metal accents, giving the interior a luxurious feel. The seats are designed with comfort in mind, offering multiple massage functions and climate control settings. There's also a panoramic sunroof that enhances the sense of space and openness. The ambient lighting system is fully customizable, allowing you to set the mood for every drive. The steering wheel features a unique yoke design, inspired by next-gen electric vehicles, making the driving experience feel futuristic. Advanced AI-powered voice control and gesture recognition ensure that you can operate most features without touching a single button. Under the hood, the 2026 Changan Flying is powered by a highly efficient electric powertrain. It comes with dual motors, delivering an impressive all-wheel drive system with instant torque. The acceleration is breathtaking, going from 0 to 60 mph in just under 3.5 seconds. The battery pack offers a range of around 400 miles on a single charge, making it highly practical for long-distance travel. Changan has also incorporated advanced regenerative braking, which not only extends battery life but also enhances efficiency. The adaptive air suspension system ensures a smooth and comfortable ride, adapting to different road conditions seamlessly. With cutting-edge self-driving technology, the car can navigate highways, change lanes, and even park itself with minimal driver intervention. When it comes to pricing, the 2026 Changan Flying offers a competitive edge in the electric vehicle market. The base model starts at around $55,000, while the high-performance and fully loaded variants can go up to $75,000. Considering the advanced technology, luxury features, and performance capabilities, this pricing makes it a strong contender against premium EV brands. That wraps up our review of the 2026 Changan Flying. With its futuristic design, luxurious interior, powerful performance, and competitive pricing, this car is definitely worth considering. What do you think about it? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more car reviews. See you in the next video.